to have flood insurance.
Local 10 News reporter Glenna Milberg is live in Miami with what you should know. Glenna.
Actually, we are in one of those neighborhoods that is not designated by FEMA to be a high-risk flood zone, and so the neighbors here don't have to have flood insurance if they choose not to. But one of the lessons that we should be taking from Houston, say the experts, is that everyone in South Florida who lives between the ocean and the Everglades is indeed at some risk of flooding danger.
I don't know, I'm always afraid something's going to happen, and then I'd rather, have insurance, I'd rather not use it.
Rosa Montes is that rare homeowner who pays for flood insurance, though FEMA does not list her neighborhood as a high-risk flood zone, where that coverage is mandatory for a mortgage. Watch Houston's flooding and know more South Florida residents than you might expect may well face that same flood catastrophe.
People think that they have to have flood insurance. If they don't have to have flood insurance, they don't need it. It's absolutely untrue.
FEMA's official high-risk flood maps don't show what tracking technology elsewhere can. Larger regions susceptible to water inundation. Local 10 storm specialist Max Mayfield, he's been sounding that alarm since his days heading the National Hurricane Center.
If you are fortunate enough to live in South Florida, where it rains and rains a lot, you have the possibility of being flooded.
Which brings us to how relatively affordable flood insurance is from the National Flood Insurance Pool, because that 50-year-old program heavily subsidizes premiums. After decades of big storms to pay out, the Government Accounting Office documents the program's $24 billion in debt, and that was before Harvey.
The bottom line is it's just simply not sustainable the way it's set up now.
It's not sustainable, and it's expiring at the end of next month. So right now, your lawmakers are actually working to re-up it and redo this flood insurance pool to make it sustainable for everyone in it. And to do that is very politically tricky because rates are going to have to rise for everybody, all of their constituents. The question is, how much will they rise and how soon? And those are questions we just cannot answer yet. I'm Glenna Milberg, live in Miami tonight, Local 10 News.